final spin. Delicate's AntiAllergy. That'll do a 400 spin. But I will need to put it on an extra spin afterwards. Chain and spin cycle. Subscribe to the channel. Fairly balanced. We've got a lot more contents as well coming off that few weeks and months, especially on these brand new wash cycles that have just launched yesterday on my updated app. So definitely worth subscribing, because these cycles have never been seen before. Still saying 5 minutes. Still saying 5 minutes. It's not gone down yet, has it? 4 minutes now. Let's see what it decides to do now. Must have done a good spin because it's all stuck to the drum. Well, the lights have gone off. Let's see what this does. Will it jump 2 minutes or will it just end? I don't think it beeps when it's on Smart Touch when it's ended. Two minutes. Sometimes washers do rotate after it's spun occasionally. Why? It's not said end. 48 minutes. I think that's the original Smart Touch cycle. Now it's reset till, because I'm on the posh cycles, so it would have usually said end or something, but it's not done. So yeah, I think we're done here. So yeah, that's what it does, this cycle, brand new. It goes back to the original cycle which I used on the normal Smart Touch, the original, which you can still access by the way on the app. So that my programs and the original app cycles are still on the app, but these are in a new section, these extra functions. So yeah, some more exciting content coming way. So like and subscribe. That's the end of the video now. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be posting more videos this afternoon as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these new apps, new wash cycles I mean, so we'll continue with these.